What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as from the title you can see, we are going to unbox a Nykaa package and review Revlon eyeshadow palette. So before I dive into the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video you get notified. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this is the package. Like unboxed it, I haven't opened it, so here is my killing knife. So I'm going to open it. Okay, so I have to cut open all this, like I have cut open all this, and this is how it opens, like the secure normal packaging of Nykaa. So yeah, it came in this way. Yeah, this is the okay, so I bought two stuff only. This is one of perfume and this is, so I'm not going to show this today, this is a perfume, and this is the main thing I was concerned of, the Revlon. Okay, so palette. This was the bill inside the palette, and this is the palette. I have opened it up. I hope you can see. This is like, sorry, it was like upside down. This Revlon Pro, what Revlon Pro Trend Mischief Maker. This is a Mischief Maker palette, and it costed me rupees 1350. So I hope you can see the palette. So I'm going to show you some swatches. I'm not like, how does this get opened? There's like 18 shades, 6 shades in a row. Okay, so there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4ish like matte, and these are like them. This doesn't seem sparkly, but they are a bit sparkle in there. This sparkles this glitters help them to stick to the skin much more nicer. So I'm going to first test out this black in my arms. So this black is called Hellbound. You can see it's like really pigmented. So this is the first swatch. So like they are pigmented, like you can see they are like really pigmented. This is my one swipe. Next this is matte brown. I guess this is a bit patchy, this brown, but brown shades are like very, you can see it goes on, and but it's buildable, you can see, but swatches are very deceiving. You can't get on swatches. I'm not going to swatch everything, I'm just going to swatch few. This is Maverick, a blue color. I hope you can see Maverick. It's not as pigmented as it shows in the pan. I hope it's buildable. You can see, I don't know you can see or not, my swatches are not perfect. Then I'm going to swatch this, another like mauve shade. Yeah, this is like really pigmented. You can see it's not patchy even, but this blue, you can see the difference. I hope you can see it's not patchy, but this blue is a bit. And then next I'm going to do this purples, as purples are very tough to make. Yeah, it's patchy a bit. I hope you can see it's a bit patchy, but it's buildable. It's definitely buildable. So I'm going to next try out another like shimmer color, just one shimmer color, a turquoise color, outsider, this color. Okay, this is very pigmented. So the basically this sparkle shade or the shimmer shades are like really nightmare. This another dim nightish blue color. You can see even this is really pigmented. You don't have to worry about the sparkly color. My little concern is with this blue, this Maverick. It's very patchy. Not very patchy, it's buildable, I hope. So yeah, so next I'm going to try this on my eyes and show you guys. So as you can see, there is one eye all complete. So I'm going to do this next time. So for this, first I'm going to lay some concealer on my eye at first. I'm going to lay a concealer with this type of brush. So I have applied this eye base, so I'm not going to do this eye actually, as I was trying out the shadows, how they work, does they work with each other, how pigmented they are. So now I'm going to start up with a new one. So first to lay on some bronzer on my eyelid. Oh, at the upper crease like this. I hope you can see I'm laying some bronzer on my upper crease. So first I'm going to lay a color with this type of dome type of brush. I hope you can see this type of brush, first color. So first I'm going to put a purple color, scene this color, scenes. I hope I am pronouncing it right. So first I am going to lay this purple color on my outer V. I hope you can see these are like really pigmented. So first I'm going to lay and then blend, and they are like really buildable. I hope you can see they are like so easy to work with. So next I'm going to use Shameless, this first shade, and lay that. So I'm going to do an even coat on my brush. So I hope you can see these are like really pigmented. After that purple I'm laying this one. Okay, so now I'm going to blend this too with this kind of a brush. If you have any dome kind of brush, just blend them. So I need to see my mirror obviously. So I hope you can see. Next I am going to use this type of a brush, this small tapered kind of a brush, and use the color Intricate, this color, Intricate, on my inner portion of my V. It's a very pretty color. I'm just going to lay with this and blend with another brush. It's a shimmery color, I hope you can see. Okay, there are like a bit of kickback in my pan, I hope you can see. And the pigments, there is a pigment, I hope. Yes, there is a lot of pigment, you don't have to like, but there is a kickback. I don't get affected by this, but in case you are like, you get affected, so I thought of saying this. And then on the inner corner I'm going to use this nice riches, this color riches, on inner portion of my V. So to marry them together I'm going to use this kind of a fluffy blending brush, this, not this type of a angled brush. I'm going to use this dome kind of a brush and use this color messenger, this brown color, chocolatey brown color, on the outer portion, on the upper part of my crease. So to emphasize more my outer V, I am going to use this mauvey color, this mauvey purpley color, since inside my not inside, at my outer V, to emphasize the color over there more. So I hope you can see the colors are laying very good, like there is no fallout on my face, but there is a bit of big kickback. And for the lower lash line I'm going to use this discrepancy. I hope I am like pronouncing it right. I'm going to use this color, discrepancy, on my lower V. And why I'm using this brush, so I'm going to use this kind of a brush. I hope you can see the blue after like applying. So I'm going to blow that blue out, like smoke that blue out with this Maverick, this color more. And to marry them, the upper and the lower, I'm going to use this brush to marry them both. The brown color, messenger. And for the upper bone and this inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this riches in my inner corner and my outer corner. I hope you can see. So guys, my face is fully complete, as you can see. So according to as the palette goes, the products are like really buildable. As you can see, I have like, they are very buildable, they coordinate with each other. The color combination of this palette is like really nice, but I'm concerned with this blue color, this Maverick. It doesn't show up, as I have tried this on this outer V and it didn't work out. So blend that out. I used Hellbound. The black is like really peach black. I like this kind of black. It's like really nice. It's not ashy at all. And most of all the shimmery shades, they're like really nice, but there is a little bit of kickback in the palette. Except that the palette is really nice. The makeup quality of this palette is like, the quality of the shadows are really nice. The pan size are like big enough, like for 1350, like 1350 rupees. Like the amount of shadows you are getting is like sufficient, and like they're like really good. So I hope you purchase this and try this out. So, and this green color, like I'm talking about this green color, like this outsider and dispensary, whatever it is, except this dispensary and this Maverick, this has a lot of fallout, and this doesn't show up as they show up in the pan. So except this two, every shade, like I have tried this black, this green, like I have tried to follow every color over here, this color scheme. Every color works very nicely except this two. This has like, I hope you can understand, this is like a really nice palette. If you want to buy it, I will like really suggest you to buy this Revlon Pro Regeneration Trend Mischief Maker. This is a very nice palette. Okay, so that's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching. For next video, like please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you guys next time. Bye.